Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zebra Technologies for label printing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Zebra Technologies website. Once on the home page, locate the register option, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on register to access the registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and company details. Create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. If prompted, provide additional information such as your phone number and role within your organization. Read through the terms and conditions before proceeding. Check the box to indicate your acceptance of these terms. Once all required fields are complete, click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your registration. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Zebra Technologies. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, you can log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the label printing section of your account. Select the appropriate label printing software or tools offered by Zebra. Download any necessary software or drivers to your device. Follow the installation instructions provided on the website for optimal setup. You are now ready to start creating and printing labels with Zebra Technologies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.